I'm Matt Bishar with REIT.com here in New York City for REITWeek 2014. I'm joined by Mark Decker Jr., Group Head of U.S. Real Estate, Lodging, and Leisure with BMO Capital Markets. Mark, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Now, which REIT sectors right now seem to be the most active in the capital markets?
Well, look, I think with the index up close to 15%, I think right now, everybody's active and looking. It feels like office has got some more wind in its sails. I think retail has some good wind in its sails. Obviously, we had some big news in the last few weeks on the M&A front and on the financing front with some big follow-ons in the healthcare sector and net lease. And so, I'd say it's active across the board.
And what about the IPO pipeline? Do you expect to see a lot of new entrants coming in?
Yeah, we do. I think, the IPOs have been working. We've gotten some really scaled companies into the market. Blackstone's brought several good assets to market. I think they'll bring several more along with other folks in the private equity world. So I think the IPO market is there, and I think we'll see more people come into it.
And one of the sectors where we have seen some IPOs is in the single-family sector. Is that one of the sectors where you're still seeing the investor interest, and could we see more companies there?
I think we will see more investors. Blackstone has a large portfolio, Invitation Homes, that's out there. Obviously there's been a lot of debate over whether it's a business or not, and I think when full, it is a cash flow business, but it's not me that needs to be convinced. I think the investors are scrutinizing that carefully, and I expect them to continue to participate, but they're going to be looking at the business carefully.
Mark, thank you so much for your insights.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
For more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.